Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I love fluffy things.
I love this two-piece microfiber set from SOFTBATFY. It truly is gorgeous and super soft, like you're at a spa. I love all the details about it, including the braided piped edging. I love how it has a little loop here that you can hang it to dry as well. And talk about absorbent. It just soaks up all the water. You really feel like you're wrapping yourself up in an incredible, luxurious blanket. You feel like you should be at the spa. And I love the size. This bath sheet is taller than I am, and I am 5'4". This gorgeous towel set from SOFTBATFY also comes in different colors. They come in different kinds of sets with face cloths, hand towels. Super easy to wash and dry. It's the perfect set for any home.
So if you're like me, you love fluffy things, you love absorbent, wonderfully huge towels, I suggest this set, but that's my point of view.